Want to take control of your heart health without any hassle right from your home? Meet the OMRON BP6100 series wrist blood pressure monitor, designed to give you fast, accurate readings in seconds. Compact and easy to use, it has a clear display, memory for multiple readings, and a comfortable wrist cuff. Portable and reliable, it's the smarter way to monitor your blood pressure anytime. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the blood pressure monitor, wrist cuff attached, instruction manual, quick start guide, 2 AAA batteries, storage case. Want to grab the OMRON 3 Series wrist blood pressure monitor from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Features: sleek and compact design takes clinically accurate readings anywhere, anytime, without awkward wires or hoses. OMRON blood pressure monitors are built for confidence with clinically informed tech and industry recognition. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. #1 doctor and pharmacist recommended brand and the #1 selling manufacturer of blood pressure monitors for over 50 years. Specifications: product description: wrist cuff, display, battery compartment, memory button, date and time setting button, start or stop button. Display symbols: install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Safety precautions: avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Wrap the wrist cuff firmly around your wrist. Make sure that you're wearing it on your bare wrist. Step 2. Make sure that the cuff has a clearance of 1 finger or 1 to 2 centimeters between the cuff and the bottom of your palm. Step 3. Position your arm so the cuff is at the same level as your heart, and sit down with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Relax and press the start or stop button and get your result on the LCD display. Measurement classifications: normal blood pressure, fluctuation, blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips: troubleshooting, That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your OMRON 3 Series Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor. See you in the next one.